So here's a fun thing. There's an IMSAI I'm working on. The power switch does nothing. There's a toggle switch in the back connected to the black and white wires, and that's what turns it on and off. The machine appears to be running, but if I put it to stop, I can single step it, and I think it's working. I don't know enough about IMSAIs to know for sure. And I don't know what the difference is between pushing the button up, like I'm doing, and pushing it down. It may do the same thing. I'm not sure. I'll try reset. I'll put it into run mode. It's dead. Reset, and look at that, it starts to run again. Okay, this is the Altair that I have. This one's real small inside. I don't have the case off of it. But this is kind of neat too. So this makes me crazy. The off switch, or the power switch, is off in the up position, not down, which takes some getting used to. But we power it on, and then go over here and hit the reset button. And then run, and look at that. I have absolutely no idea what it's doing, but apparently it's doing something. Maybe. I don't know. I'm sure there's somebody watching this that's a lot smarter than I am that can tell me whether or not it's doing something. But if I stop it, oops, I can single step it, and it does stuff. And I can run it again. So, yay, I guess. Woohoo. Thanks for watching, guys.